The story begins more than 60 years back. It is the story of a company that has been playing a pivotal role in the industrial development of the country. A company that has become intertwined with the daily life of the nation. A company where thousands of dedicated employees put in their earnest efforts day in, day out to take the company and in the process the country forward. Yes, the company is none other than ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. The Calcuttans take pride in claiming the city of Kolkata to be the germination ground of the mammoth company now known as ONGC. After independence, the government realized the importance of oil and gas for rapid industrial development and its strategic role in defense. In 1955, Government of India decided to develop oil and natural resources in the various regions of the country as part of public sector development. With this objective, an Oil and Natural Gas Directorate was set up in 1955 under the then Ministry of Natural Resources and Scientific Research. The department was constituted with a few geoscientists from the Geological Survey of India. Initially, a nucleus of 4 geoscientists from GSI planted the seed of ONGC.
Oil and Natural Gas Commission was established in 1956 with 40 apprentice geologists like me and 16 apprentice geophysicists and with some administrative officers and staff in a room in GSI.
In 1956, the Kolkata office was established for carrying out geological and geophysical survey in the eastern part of India. Among the initial employees was Mrs. J. Bhattasali, the first lady employee of ONGC.
I really feel honored to be recognized as the first lady employee of ONGC. In 1956, I was serving in Geological Survey of India 26 Chorogiri. There a circular was seen by us in which it was stated that good number of posts, vacancies was being created for ONG division and the headquarters will be at Dehradun.
So, the company chaired by Mr. A.M.N. Ghosh started its ambitious journey from a dingy office in the GSI building in Kolkata. In the same year, company's head office was established in Dehradun. In 1956, it was renamed as Oil and Natural Gas Commission with the inspiration of Mr. K.D. Malviya. It was finally given the status of corporation in 1993. Came 1966, the commission launched its West Bengal project for multi-location drilling in and around West Bengal that were identified as probable spots in the survey. Subsequently, with years, ONGC spread out in Kolkata from GSI building to 50 Chowrangi Road and other offices in the city. Experiences gathered from field operations led to the formation of a dedicated geoscience division for synergistic operations in the central region that subsequently underwent a restructuring in 1980 to evolve as Central Region Business Center or CRBC, covering the states of West Bengal, Bihar and Tripura Mizoram sector.
Actually, in 1992, we have drilled one well, Ichhapur 1, which has given us first time the oil and gas. One of our CBM well, that is JH1, that we have drilled in Jharia in 1997. CBM oil in India, where the gas started flowing at the surface successfully, and gas flow also we have observed from Patuli 1, which we have drilled a latest well in district Nadia.
The beginning of the third millennium saw the formation of CRC by ONGC and the year was 2001. The center was soon renamed as CBM BPM Basin, delinking Tripura from it and adding Mahanadi, Andaman basins to its operational ambit. It is only in last couple of years that all the offices of ONGC in Kolkata has been brought to the same building, the Technopolis. MBA Basin has 10 core groups, 5 service groups for various operations in the basin, and 9 support groups for providing support activities of the basin. The MBA Basin is responsible for all activities related to exploration of oil and gas in the basins under its jurisdiction, Mahanadi, Bengal Punia, and Andaman.
MBA Basin looks after the responsibility of hydrocarbon exploration in Mahanadi, on land, shallow waters, deep waters, Andaman, both the island areas, shallow water and deep waters, and Bengal, on land, shallow water and deep waters. In addition to the Mahanadi, Bengal and Andaman basins, we also look after the Gondwana basins of Purnia and the nearby areas.
The activity of oil and gas exploration involves data acquisition, data processing, data interpretation and analysis, and drilling. But one must hasten to add that activities like drilling, geophysical, logging, and well services are closely coupled with all other activities of the MBA office. The process of seismic data acquisition uses high-definition technology. Modern, state-of-the-art equipment are pressed into service for this purpose. We need skilled personnel to perform the job efficiently. In spite of environmental disturbances and local problems, the employees of MBA Basin always ensures achieving the assigned goals.
We are also ready to take up the upcoming job both in the front of acquisition and processing in health regime.
The Processing Center of Kolkata office caters to the data processing requirements of the ONGC. The center is equipped with modern technology in terms of computer hardware as well as application software. After data acquisition and processing, the processed data then moves to the interpretation section to be interpreted by expert geologists. The analysis of the processed data done by these skilled geologists play a crucial role to set the objectives of the MBA Basin. Computer programming personnel look after the systems that include hardware, applications, and databases.
Hydrocarbon exploration in Mahanadi Basin itself established 81 BCM of gas reserves in the Bay of Bengal. The first well, that is MDW-2A, for the first time struck gas in this particular well. There is one office we have opened at Bhubaneswar, who are also looking after the interpretation of all these blocks.
Since 1956, ONGC is actively involved in hydrocarbon exploration in Andaman offshore. And since then, ONGC has drilled 18 wells, out of which one well has produced 1.9 lakh cubic meter per day.
After analysis, drilling of the chosen sites may be needed depending on the outcome of interpretation and analysis. Meticulous and synergistic approaches are imperative in drilling activities. Drilling rigs are engaged for this purpose. Special group of geologists monitor and coordinate the well site activities in clockwork precision.
MBA Basin Drilling Service Kolkata is having 2 rigs. One is BI 2001, which is a deep drilling rig. Another is E768, which is a drilling for shallow wells.
In near future, we will be able to find significant oil and gas, so that there will be even more valid reason for being a proud ONGCian posted in Calcutta.
MBA Basin Kolkata, under the corporate aegis of ONGC, is not just about high technology at work for drilling under challenging conditions. It is equally about reaching out to touch and better the lives of our economically weaker co-citizens. The CSR by the corporation concentrates on comprehensive development of the areas neighboring the work sites. It includes installation of arsenic-free water plants at places like Matikumbra, Ranaghat, Nodia, Swachh Bharat mission for cleaner and hygienic living environment with toilets.
We are all trying our best to bring the large number of basins under MBA to commercial production map of the country, and wish them very good success in their personal endeavor as well as the future prosperity of the basin.
My best wishes for ONGC. May it remain #1 in the world.
हम हैं वो रोशनी जो बनाए आपका भविष्य और उज्जवल। हम हैं ONGC।